dry for 3 to 4 months. We age it for at least 3 weeks bago ganito ang itsura niya. Hindi po kunin dyan, tapos pwede na dito.
Okay.
Ipakita ko po ang paggawa with the demo fee of 200 for the whole group. Tapos kung may mag-hands on 100 per head po. Okay? Okay, first I have to center. Let's use the electric wheel. Meron kaming traditional na sinasabi mo, pero life is hard. Anuhin na natin na. Ang hirap magpadyak ng araw-araw. But, you know, it's a good alternative pag wala pong ulo.
Ayan na, last demi more. Ay, tipis. Diba, see?
Magic.
Tataas.
With the motive.
Once na na-center po siya, lahat po nagsisimula ng cylinder to make a cylinder. I have to pull the clay from the bottom to the top gradually using pressure from my left and right hand.
Tapos yan yung pang-fine.
My hand should be the one controlling the clay, not the clay controlling my hands to keep the shape and for it not to collapse. This is the very basic shape. From here you can make a jar, a bowl, or different shapes. At this point po, there's more pressure from my inside hand, pushing it outwards, supporting from my right. Dito naman sa pressure from my right, pushing it inwards. Then outwards, pull it at the very top to make a vase.
Ay, ang galing. Ay, ang galing naman. Galing. Bakit ba ganyan na? Ay, sabi nga, it's art and it's
It
magic.
can be a water jug by putting a spout like that. That's all I can do right now. I let it dry for 5 days. After 5 days, we put the handle, trim the bottom. Then we dry it for 1 month. Air dry lang po.